In 1912, a rare book dealer named Wilfrid Voynich found a mysterious medieval manuscript in a Polish castle. It had 240 pages filled with strange drawings of unknown plants, naked figures, and astrological charts. But the real nightmare began when experts tried to read it because the text was not written in Latin, Greek, or any non human language. For over a century, the world's top cryptographers, World War II code breakers, and even modern artificial intelligence have tried to decode it, and every single one of them failed. Is this the ultimate secret message or the greatest scam in human history? Carbon dating confirms the parchment was made between 1404 and 1438, the early Italian Renaissance, but whoever wrote it created an entire alphabet of 20 to 50 unique symbols that appear nowhere else in recorded history. What makes scientists lose their minds is that the writing follows real linguistic laws. Words repeat with natural rhythm, sentences flow like normal speech, and there are no visible mistakes or erasers. It's almost impossible to fake this level of linguistic structure without a real language backing it up. Then come the illustrations. The manuscript is split in two sections: herbal, astronomical, biological, and pharmaceutical. Botanists have spent decades analyzing the plants growing inside, yet, out of hundreds of illustrations, only a tiny fraction resemble real earthly flora. The rest look like alien hybrid plants that don't exist anywhere on Earth. Even stranger is the biological section, showing tiny female figures bathing in interconnected green pools and tubes, looking less like a medical journal and more like a bizarre fantasy diagram. So, what actually is it? Some believes it's an ancient cheaper created by a medieval alchemist to hide revolutionary medical discoveries from the church. Others argue it's a constructed artificial language created by someone centuries ahead of their time. And then there is the cynical theory that a clever 15th century scammer manufactured a convincing looking fake book to sell to a rich noble or king for quick gold. Today, the original manuscript sits locked inside a vault at Yale University's Binek Library, still waiting for someone smart enough to break its code. Do you think the Voynich manuscript holds a deep secret, or is it just the ultimate historical hoax? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe the Vortex Docs for more history mysteries.